لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ, that if you thank me, I will give you more. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala really does not want to take anything from us. Allah wants to give us. Allah's treasures are infinite. But you can imagine how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the treasures and the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In one of the hadiths, the saying is that if all the human beings and jinn, they get together and they remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and they ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whatever anyone, all of the jinn or humans can think of, they ask for it, and all their desires, whatever they think of, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fulfill all their needs, whatever they ask, and it will not reduce in the treasures of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Like if a needle is dipped into the ocean and a single drop maybe or less gets on that needle, and maybe that ocean is a reduced